Try it.
Let's see. All right. We are officially on the second, I guess you'd call it the second leg of the trip. We just flew from Prague to Amsterdam, me and little man. We are going to grab our bags, figure out how to navigate our hotel, and then meet up with a friend of ours. Pretty excited to see Amsterdam. It's cool. This is my 28th country, and this is Mannix 17th. We made it on the train. Okay, so we're almost there. We've literally been on this train for not even 5 minutes. And we're almost there. So travel hack, do not get the first class because you're only going to be on here for a minute. It's not worth the extra €4. Okay, so there's a casino by our hotel, and I told Mannix he's going to get his fake ID. He's going to put on his fake mustache. He's going in there. What are you going to play?
I'm going to play poker.
Amsterdam, we're here. Time for the room tour. So we are staying at Park Central. So here's the entryway. It's a smaller room. Yeah, there's me. But we do have a espresso machine, some snacks, a little bar here, closet. Ooh, looks like there's a steamer in there. Here's a bathroom. Hope nobody left a steamer in here. And here's the room. There's a lot to do right in here. We passed a lot of little shops, little restaurants, stuff. The food here is expensive. We passed a ramen shop and it said €24.50 for a bowl of ramen. This is pretty cool. It's a Marshall speaker that's in here so I can bump some tunes. Old school telephone. This is home for the next 4 days. Did you just navigate downstairs and all the way back upstairs by yourself?
Yeah.
Who's my little navigator?
I mean, I took a while because I had to go back down and ask them the name because I forgot.
The room number?
Yes.
But you're getting good at navigating by yourself, huh?
Yeah, I went to McDonald's.
Mannix, what'd you say about this? Do you think this is what? This is like candy that someone forgot?
No, it's free.
It's free candy?
Yeah.
Why do you think it's free?
Because it is here.
I can promise you it's not free. None of that in there is free. None of this is free. Especially the candy. They're going to charge you like twice as much as it would cost us at the store.
Yeah.
No. You can have one of those later. We found our friend from Amsterdam. We found Jess.
They're finally here.
This is cool. We were by this earlier and we didn't even see this. That
Something.
Look at the tail though.
Yeah.
Are there really lizards like that?
Alligator.
I think so, but he said Komodo. I was thinking Komodo
Ooh.
as well, but they're not.
I don't know, but they look nasty. They look mean. Got this massive thing of fries from Monica. This thing's massive. I mean, and I got peanut sauce. It's Orlog. So it's peanut sauce with onions and then garlic sauce on the other side. And I've never had French fries with peanut sauce, but oh my goodness, this is tasty. Jess, that's a good recommendation.
Good. I'm
Thank
happy
you.
that you like it.
Dim sum restaurant.
Is this the place to be for dim sum? Yum yum. It's not on the menu, so she
secret.
just could order dishes, and she said she just gave me a number.
Okay.
Ma fiesta.
Jess is going to build one for us.
Here you go. So we start with a little pancake, a Chinese pancake. We put the sauce in the middle, and we just spread it out evenly. Like this, and we're done. Grab us a little veggie, a cucumber, a thumb of Mannix also. Mmm, delicious. A little bit of spring onion. Let's add a paprika to it as well. I like the cabbage. It was a bit soury, but I loved it.
Okay.
Then we're gonna add the most delicious part, in my opinion, the Peking duck. Give me some skin, but also some meat. And after that, we just roll it. Ready to eat.
That is delicious. You like it, buddy? Poffertjes.
Typical Dutch snack again.
Okay, cool. Mannix, be careful.
We're gonna do this Poffertjes. You have to taste it, sweetheart. It's like little pancakes, but then with sugar.
Taste it.
Poffertjes.
Yeah. And then we're gonna. Poffertjes! Try it.
See.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you,
Here
Mom.
we go.
Sweetheart.
Wow.
Who needs some sugar? I do.
See, I'm telling you, you start doing your own show, you're gonna kill it. Hey chat, Mannix is cooked. We didn't plan accordingly and don't have enough time to do our food review. We're eating everything on the run. We'll do a follow-up later, huh? What do you think? GoPro's at 4%. We're absolutely cooked. We're about to get what from the chat?
We're cooked.
We're cooked. We're about to get kicked from the chat. We're out for a nice little stroll on our last night here. We're going to walk downtown.
We're on to what?
We're going to walk downtown. See what we can get into on our last night here in Amsterdam. We're gonna miss it. We had a great time though. Our friend Jess showed us around for 2 days. Second day we went to Sanskhan. I forgot to replace my GoPro battery with a charged one. Wasn't able to record any of it, but man, it was beautiful. Windmills and cheese tasting and stuff like that. It was a lot of fun. Come on, son. All right. We made it early to our train. Look at, we're not running. We're not huffing and puffing. We're not pushing old ladies out of the way.
The last 2 times I had to turn into freaking David Goggins just to catch him.